What's up, YouTube? I'm the Max 5149, and today's Black Friday, so I bought some new stuff today, and I'm gonna show you. Pretty much, I went to the store and I bought the PlayStation Move motion controller, 2-pack controller that comes with the two PlayStation Move controllers and stuff for the PlayStation VR, as you can see it. And I also bought the PlayStation VR bundle as well as you can see right. And the PlayStation VR bundle was only like $200 around there, and then the PlayStation Move controllers was like $90, as you can see right there. So yeah, all right then, guys. I'm gonna do the PlayStation Move controller first. Unbox that. As you can see, it shows the Move controllers right. Oh yeah. And by the way, this is the PlayStation Move controller. The redesign, the update, the 2.0. Like pretty much it. You charge the controllers using micro USB instead of the mini USB, like the old Move controller. So yeah, these are the updated ones. So you can see it. Yeah, it shows all this stuff. Contains two motion controllers, two straps. As you can see, side right there. It says for PlayStation 4, PlayStation VR, as well as you can see. And here's the back. It says PlayStation, Sony, and it says intuitive controls for PlayStation VR. That it shows like all the stuff that I can do, as you can see right there. And then it says explore new worlds, and then it shows the controller, the VR, and then the PlayStation camera, as you can see right there. So yeah, so let's get inside of it now, guys. So yeah, so these are the controllers right there, as you can see. Yeah. There's something else. You can see. Oh, it's just this. Oh yeah, and also comes with comes with like manual, probably just to show like how to use it. So yeah, so these are the controllers right here, as you can see right there. The PlayStation home button, select, square, triangle, X, circle, and then that's the move button, I guess. And oh, there's a trigger, probably like a L2 or R2 button. And then there's the other one right here. It's pretty much the same thing, so not gonna get into too much detail on that. And oh yeah, and these this part pretty much it lights up whenever you use it, so that's pretty cool. So alright guys, so we got that out of the way. So now we're gonna get into the PlayStation VR bundle and do an unboxing for that. So it says PlayStation VR right there, as you can see. Then right here it says Sony PlayStation VR bundle, PlayStation VR, and it shows stuff that comes with the headset, the two games, the PlayStation camera. Oh yeah, and the PlayStation VR headset. There's the new version too, by the way, the redesign, the 2.0 basically. And then also the camera is the new version to the 2.0 redesign as well. So yeah, so that's good. And then here's the side right here. It says PlayStation VR further enhance your PlayStation VR experience. Yeah, if you have all this stuff, it might get better. The PlayStation Go wireless, I have that, which is really good. So I'm gonna be using that. And then yeah, like I just showed you the PlayStation Move motion controllers. And then it just says all the stuff that comes with, as you can see right there. And then here's the other side. It says PlayStation VR, discover a new world to play. And yeah, and it just shows the stuff again. Then here's the back. It says Sony. And then it just talks about the two games that come with Astrobot, Moss. Yeah, I heard these two games are good. I think they're like platformer games, something like that. All right, then. So let's get into it now, guys. All right. I think it's better like put it upside down, be easier like that. As you can see, it's another box in the box. So there's a PlayStation logo right there. All right, let me take this out of the way, and let's open this up. PlayStation VR Oh, this is basically the manual. Shows like how to like set it up and everything. That's pretty cool. Let's put this on the side. And next, look at that. It comes with mods. That's one of the games. It's a digital download code and stuff. There's a code probably in the back. So yeah, that's cool. Notice of just warranty stuff. Oh, it comes with a microfiber cloth to probably just to clean the headset. So that's cool. The PlayStation camera. Oh, that's the manual for that. Oh, look at that. It also comes with PlayStation VR demo disc 2.0. Yeah, yeah. It's pretty much just to show you like how to like some of the stuff you could do with the VR. Oh, that's cool. And what's this? Oh, the PlayStation VR. Oh, the manual. Just so just know how to like use them. And then there's the camera itself. The new PlayStation camera 2.0. You can see right there. Yeah. Yeah, it's USB powered. That's cool. And then it comes with a micro USB cable. As you can see right there. And then it comes with a power cord. To power up. And then there's the power brick. Whatever yeah. Power AC adapter or brick, whatever you want. It's powered up as well. This is a PlayStation camera stand. It's pretty cool. Yeah. But yeah, and then there's the HDMI cable right here. You can see. Do that. And then here's a processing unit. You use it to power it up, the VR. Yeah, it's pretty much like a mini PlayStation 4 Pro. Damn, that looks pretty cool. There's that. Oh yeah, and then it comes with like some earphones as well. You can see right there. See the earphones right here. Looks really good. And then these are just earpieces to for like different sizes of your ear. Take that out of the way, put it on the side. Oh yeah, there's the PlayStation VR game that comes with the physical copy, Astrobot. That's cool. Down the side, and then let's get into the headset itself. You can see right there. Look at this. Yeah, and that's everything. All right, let's put this to the side as well. Take this out. This is the cable. Was it HDMI powered too? That's pretty cool. So yeah, it's wired. So you connect it to the unit to power it up and stuff, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, so there's the headset right there. So see all this? Yeah, this is where you probably like adjust it, and that's to look inside of it, as you can see right there. Yeah. All right, guys, that's about it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends and stuff. And thank you for watching the video. See ya.